Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows can't get the network settings from router error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be to power cycle the modem, router and the computer. Now how would you do that? So switch off the modem, router and computer, all the three devices. Now switch on the modem only, not the router, not the computer, only the modem. Then wait till the lights are stable. Now switch on the router, wait till the lights are stable, and finally switch on the computer. The next solution will be to run the network troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. The last solution will be network reset. So here's how you will perform a network reset on your computer. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane you can select advanced network settings and then select network reset and then click on reset now and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.